Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today you see me with a face cam, and I'm playing Minecraft. I'm just under my blanket. But today we will be learning how to build a working vending machine. So really, let's wait, no, I don't want to play with my friends. So really, let's just get started. So, I'm sorry for all the darkness. I really need light in my room. What, should I go to the closet, guys? Yes, I should. I'll be right back. So, yeah, so what you're gonna need to make a working vending machine. I haven't done the draft yet. Well, because really, I don't know how to make it, but I did my other one for my Minecraft roleplay. Whatever clay you want, I'm just gonna go with that clay. A dropper. No, dispenser. A button. Yeah, glass. Item frame. Well, the potions, I'm just gonna use this to make it of course. Well, what you're gonna need to do is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You wonder why? You wonder why? 1, 2. I'm literally just going this side, guys. So yeah, like this. You're just gonna need to put glass machine like this. Wait, I forgot one item. You're gonna need a carpet, and the carpet, it's gonna need to be white. Sorry, you can't choose whatever you want. Put the button. Oh yeah, you need an anvil. The anvil was gonna be neat too. Wait, let me see if this is better. I can't see. I think here is better. Yes. Okay, you need to change the potion you're using into, let's just say, I'm doing an apple juice machine, so you can just put whatever you want. Whatever your machine is, just find something that looks exactly like it. Like a water machine, you could just use a water. Oh my god. I didn't change it. Apple. John. You think you want my apple juice? I want my apple juice. So item frame, just go like that. Apple juice. Where's your sign? Guys, I told you to get a sign. And I told you why. I know I told you why. I remember everything I told you. Just put apple juice vending machine. Vending machine. Oh. apple juice vending machine. After that, you want to get a lot of your apple juice.
Where's my number?
Name them. I'll be right back in the car. Yeah, there you go.
Turn off the light.
Just sorry, my brother's talking to my mom.
You can't get up or what?
Apple juice. Just name a lot of apple juice. Yeah, just name a lot of apple juice. Well, I really am actually done, but what you could do is just fill it all up. I'm just filling it all up. I'm just filling it one up, so let's roll more of this, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. So much ready. Oh my god. So much. Coffee. Wait, is that a vending machine? What are they selling? Apple juice vending machine? I can't steal that apple juice. It's just item for so I could get this. I want you now give me. Oh yeah, there it is. And then I'm not tired no more. I'm not tired no more. I could get out of here now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we role modeled it. Ready? We actually did role model it, guys. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this one, because this one was a cool one. And guys, if it doesn't work for you, here you don't really need this. But wait, I'm trying to break something. I'm trying to break something, not trying to drink no more of my favorite juice. Maybe you don't have to put it there. You could just put like whatever you want. Like I don't want to put clay no more. It has to actually be like this if you want it. You can put it how I did it the first time. And then whenever it runs out, there's no more apple juice. So yeah, guys, you guys really see me already. So I don't really have to say. See you guys later in my Minecraft. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, guys. See you guys in another day or episode or roleplay or whatever I bring up next. Bye.